Extinction is usually final. Once a species disappears, it never comes back. At least, that's what history has taught us. But scattered across the planet are rare exceptions. Animals that reach the edge of disappearance and pulled back, not by chance, but through resilience, timing, and human intervention. These are 10 species that refuse to go extinct. 10. The bald eagle. America's national bird once teetered on extinction. DDT poisoned its eggs. Populations collapsed. Chemical bans and protection reversed the damage. Today, over 300,000 bald eagles soar again. A warning and a victory. 9. Przewalski's horse. By 1969, Przewalski's horse was extinct in the wild. Every living individual survived only in zoos. Decades of careful breeding changed that. Today, around 2,000 roam Mongolia again, the last truly wild horse on Earth. 8. The Monito gecko. On a tiny island near Puerto Rico, rats wiped out almost everything, including the Monito gecko. After the rats were removed, the geckos returned on their own. No breeding programs, no reintroductions, just one threat removed, and nature did the rest. 7. The Siamese crocodile. By the 1990s, the Siamese crocodile was thought extinct in the wild. Then a small population was found in Cambodia. Former hunters became protectors. Captive-bred crocodiles were released. Today, Cambodia holds nearly half of the world's remaining Siamese crocodiles. 6. The Pemba flying fox. On Tanzania's Pemba Island, this giant bat was hunted nearly to extinction. Instead of fear, conservation brought education. Forests were protected. Hunting declined. The population rebounded into the tens of thousands, pollinating forests as it survived. 5. The golden lion tamarin. After losing 95% of its forest, only 200 golden lion tamarins remained. Breeding programs helped, but reconnecting the forest saved them. Today, thousands survive in the wild. Fragile, vulnerable, but alive because the forest was stitched back together. 4. The Galapagos giant tortoise. On one island, only 14 tortoises remained. One male, Diego, changed everything. Over decades, he fathered more than 800 offspring. With habitat restored, nearly 2,000 now roam the island again. 3. The Aleutian Canada goose. For decades, this goose was believed extinct. Introduced foxes and hunting erased it. Or so it seemed. A hidden population was discovered. Foxes were removed. Nesting sites protected. By the 2000s, over 30,000 filled the skies again. 2. The peregrine falcon. DDT nearly erased peregrine falcons from the skies. Eggshells thinned. Nests failed. The chemical was banned. Falcons were reintroduced, often from skyscrapers. Today, they dive through cities at 200 miles per hour. The fastest animals on Earth. 1. The American bison. Once, tens of millions of bison covered North America. By 1890, fewer than 1,000 remained. Conservationists stepped in just in time. Today, about 20,000 live in the wild. A fraction of the past, but enough to survive.